if you are here, most especially this year, the Lord told us that He's going to be with us in all our details, in all our affairs. And He said that you're not going to struggle financially. I have discovered every time I go to Him and I'm going to get a word and I want exactly what these days, if you have been following it, there's a way it goes to finances. Have you discovered that? There's the last time when I tried to avoid it, I said, will I sound like every time I'm talking about, by the time I finish, I checked my sermon again towards that side. And then it's when he reminded me that I said that this year you're not going to struggle financially. Go and listen all those sermons like that. You will hear why. He wants you to have this faith in the area of finances. And I've also discovered that actually, if you are truly with God and you have sorted that area of finances, I have discovered that actually even these things we say that we're supposed to be emphasizing